Be honest, have you ever thought, the algorithm hates me? This just isn't for me. Maybe it's time to give up? Your channel's been stuck for months with no growth or momentum. But what if I told you the real problem isn't the algorithm? What if the issue is that you haven't unlocked the right strategies yet? These are the exact strategies that small creators are using every day to make the algorithm work for them, not against them. Creators just like you have gone from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in weeks using these simple steps. Imagine how different your channel could look after implementing just a few of these. In this video, I'll break down these 7 secret steps that will make the algorithm your best friend. These aren't random tips, they're proven strategies that work. Marcus Jones is a perfect example of someone who cracked the code. And no, it wasn't just about luck. By following these powerful steps, he transformed his channel and grew his audience faster than most ever imagined. Stick with me, because this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Consistency is key. If you want the algorithm to notice you, the very first thing you need to do is pick a niche and stick with it. Think about it. If you're making cooking videos one week and jumping to gaming tutorials the next, it's going to confuse both your audience and the algorithm. YouTube loves consistency, and so do your viewers. The more you stick to a single niche, the clearer your channel becomes to the algorithm, and it can help you get in front of the right people. Here's a pro tip. If you're passionate about several different topics, think about how they can connect. For example, if you love tech, you could focus on gadgets, reviews, unboxing, and tutorials. That way, you're staying within your niche while still keeping things fresh and interesting for your audience. Look at someone like Marques Brownlee. He built his entire empire by sticking to one niche, tech focused on reviews, unboxings, and deep dives. Similarly, Matt Make Money or investing tips. Matt's consistent focus has helped him build a loyal, engaged audience, just like Marques did with tech. Now, once you've figured out your niche, it's time to dig deeper into how the YouTube algorithm works and how you can get it to start promoting your content. The algorithm equals audience engagement. YouTube's algorithm doesn't care about how many subscribers you have. It cares about one thing: how your audience interacts with your content. That means likes, comments, shares, and, most importantly, watch time. If you're getting views, but no one is sticking around for the entire video, YouTube won't prioritize your content. It all comes down to 2 main metrics: click-through rate and average view duration. The more people click on your video and stick around to watch it, the more YouTube is going to promote it. Here's a pro tip for boosting your CTR: focus on your thumbnails and titles. If these don't grab attention, your video won't get clicked. Using tools like Canva or Adobe Express to design eye-catching thumbnails that stand out. For titles, Headline Studio or TubeBuddy can help you craft compelling, click-worthy titles that spark curiosity and drive clicks. And don't forget to test. You can use YouTube's app testing tool to experiment with different thumbnails and titles and see which ones perform better. Now that you understand the algorithm a bit better, let's move on to competitor research. Knowing what others in your niche are doing will give you a major advantage, but how do you figure out what's working for them? Let's talk about that. If you want to grow on YouTube, you need to know what others in your niche are doing. Don't just focus on the big names, look for creators who are in a similar position to you. I'm talking about creators who are a little ahead of you, but haven't yet hit the 1 million subscribers mark. These are the creators who are figuring out what works for the algorithm right now. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find competitors and analyze their performance. For example, vidIQ shows you how many views a creator is getting, their engagement, and even which of their videos are performing best. This gives you valuable insights into what's working in your niche. Take Think Media, for example. They're a great example of a channel that has been growing steadily because they consistently produce content about tech and YouTube growth. They've nailed the keywords, thumbnails, and titles that attract their audience. They're not reinventing the wheel, they're just doing the basics well. To succeed, you need to use that knowledge to create something unique that captures attention and keeps viewers coming back. Once you've figured out your niche and how the algorithm works, it's time to get to the heart of YouTube's success: creating high-quality content. The algorithm favors videos that people want to watch for longer periods. If people are clicking on your video, but leaving after a few seconds, that's a red flag to YouTube. So, what does high-quality content look like? It means creating videos that are valuable, entertaining, and easy to watch. Look at Ali Abdaal's videos. He's a great example of someone who's mastered the art of creating engaging, high-quality content. His videos are well-edited, full of value, and they always hook the audience right from the beginning. Start your videos with a strong hook. The first 30 seconds are critical for grabbing attention. If you don't hook people right away, they might click off. And don't underestimate the power of editing. Tools like Premiere Pro or CapCut can help you edit your videos quickly and make them look professional. If you're a beginner, CapCut is a great option. It's free and super user-friendly. So now that you're creating great content, it's time to focus on what gets that content noticed. The thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see, and if they don't catch someone's attention, your video won't get clicked. So, make sure your thumbnails are bold, easy to read, and intriguing. Don't give everything away, just enough to spark curiosity. For titles, keep them short but powerful. Use words that promise value, like ultimate, best, or how-to. These are proven to grab attention. Brian Dean from Backlinko does a great job with this. His thumbnails are clean and simple, and his titles always include numbers or power words that make people want to click. One of the most important things you can do to grow your channel is engage with your audience. YouTube loves content that gets people talking. Ask questions, start conversations, and show your audience that you value their feedback. At the end of your videos, ask your viewers to comment. A simple "What do you think?" Leave a comment below will encourage more interaction and help boost engagement. Engagement is key to growing your channel, but to take your growth to the next level, you need to track your progress and make adjustments based on the data. Once your video is live, it's time to track how it's performing. YouTube's analytics is your best friend here. Pay attention to your CTR, watch time, and audience retention. These are the metrics that will tell you if your content is resonating with your audience. Look for patterns in your best performing videos. Maybe videos with certain keywords or longer runtimes are getting more views. Use these insights to optimize your future content and keep improving. Now that you have these 7 steps in your toolkit, it's time to put them into action. Follow these strategies and soon enough, YouTube's algorithm will be working for you. If you found these tips useful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss my next video. I'll be going even deeper into content creation strategies and sharing powerful tools to help you get noticed by the algorithm and skyrocket your views. Drop a comment below on what you want to see next. I might just cover it in my upcoming videos. Don't miss it. See you soon.